Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Elijah. So today I'm going to be doing a demo for Sandbox. So today we're talking about a platform, essentially a community as well, and I'll show a lot more about this that we are putting together. So this is specifically targeted or looking at developers across the world, anywhere that's interested in any web technology. So this could be web3 technologies, could be web2, learning how to develop anything on the that people can interact with on the web, but also take value out of. So, our key focus is trying to create a decentralized global community that helps people learn, teach, build, employ, and fundraise. So, what are we? So, we're building today a masterclass. So, as you see here, people can learn and break into Web3 or teach their own courses. Right now, we're more looking at the scope of learning from Web3 versus teaching your own courses. But you can see here, if you're on Sandbox and you hop into Masterclass, you can easily learn from any of these different platforms that help people learn how to build in Web3. So for example, if we look at Build Space here, I'm just going to click on Build Space. You see Build Space is the home of a lot of different people in Web3, and they teach you how to build a lot of different projects. So I just go into projects here. You can see Intro to ETH, Intro to Solana, Solana Pay. There's Flow, how to build NFTs, how to do ENS, how to build DAOs. There are a wide variety of things that you can work with. So you can just easily hop in here, log in, start a project. And as you can see here, you can ship literally anything in a matter of minutes. So that's Build Space. There's also OpenQuest on here, and you can see pretty similar. You can learn how to build on ETH, Solana, Near, Polygon, and a bunch of other platforms, and build alongside other builders. So this is Masterclass, and Masterclass hopes to be robust in the future. What we're hoping to do here with Masterclass is add a feature where people can post their own courses and highlight those courses and find ways that we can help reward the creators making that content. So this is Masterclass. So we're going to hop into jobs. So here you can see jobs is we have a few different things. We have a few different jobs posted by different people. So we can see here first, there's a landing page dev for Maktub Labs, and we're looking for a dev, and the budget is 200 USDC. See, hello friend, spicing up our landing page to be more welcoming. Build for mobile first, highlight masterclass, jobs, and fundraise. Easily apply. And as you can see, in order to apply to jobs, you need to be signed in. So we're gonna go ahead and do so quickly. So I'm gonna sign in with Google. I'm just gonna use one of my Google accounts. And as you see, I'm signed in. So I'm gonna go back and try to apply to that job here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Maktub Labs and 8180, my Twitter account. I'm gonna do a quick introduction. Hey, friend, I love coding a lot. Please hire me. Put a smiley face, why not? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply to this job. So your application was successfully submitted. Keep an eye on your contact information provided for more details. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and close this out. Now, how do I keep track of any jobs that I have applied to? So we're gonna go here to profile. So if you look in profile, you can see that we have applications sent. So in application sent, you can see the landing page dev for Maktub Labs. That was the job I just applied to just now. So if you want to see, and right here, you can kind of see something that's kind of funny, but it's also the same thing because I posted this job with the same account. So you can see applications received here as well. I received that application. Hey friend, I love coding a lot. Please hire me. Smiley face. So how do you keep track of jobs that are coming in and out? So you keep track of that through profile. So we have that set up. And as you can see, these are the jobs also posted. And that's that landing page dev for Maktub Labs that we're talking about, that we just applied for. So anyway, let's do a different test, right? Because let's make sure this works properly. So we're going to go ahead and sign out. And then we're going to sign into a different account. So we're going to go to profile. And as you can see, this account doesn't have much application sent, received, or posted. So we're just going to go to jobs. And then we're going to look at posting a job. So For today, we're going to be posting a job, Sandbox. We're going to call it tester demo, and we're going to make it a designer role. We're going to call Maktab Labs. Actually, this should be Maktab Labs 8180. And then we're going to do Tensol. Hi. Test. So we're going to go ahead and post this job. Your job was successfully uploaded. So we're going to go ahead and close this. Now let's go to jobs and see tester demo. There we go, right here. So that's tester demo is right here. It's set up. So now we go to profile. We're going to see tester demo is in jobs posted. So boom, this is basically how we're functioning right now. So we're working on fundraise, and fundraise in the future is going to essentially carry this component right here where people can tip others using Sol or using an SPL token. So for now, let's just do this. So we're going to select the wallet. We're going to connect us here. So we're going to connect this wallet to our website. Come on. Okay, that's weird. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. So wallet connected. So we're gonna go ahead and try send 0.5 Solana, right? So we're gonna go ahead and call that transaction and approve it. So this is a tip box that's going to this wallet for Maktab Labs. So it's our tip box. We're going to work on putting this component into a fundraiser. So basically what it's going to look like, and we have a localhost version, but we're not going to show that yet because it's not live. But essentially it's going to look like jobs, but instead it's going to be a fundraising campaign, and the tip box would be attached to each of the campaign. So that's basically what we're doing with Sandbox right now. We got a long way to go with building this out. So if you're interested in anything we're building, just to get a concept of who I am. So I'm Elijah, and I'm just hoping to build this thing out. And it's been a while since I've uploaded any video on here, but excited to see, how many developers out here building on Solana, building on Ethereum, building on Near, building any protocols anywhere, and how they're excited to be a part of this space. Anyway, if you want to chat about anything that we're doing, make sure you hop into Sandbox, our Discord. We're always chatting about different things. So just come in here, verify, we'll probably welcome you in. Do a quick introduction if you can. Come in here and just chat about anything you want to talk about with our friends here. If you need some guides for internships, especially in big tech, so any of the current big tech companies, but also in web3, feel free to come in here and take advantage of some resources. If you want to post any of your ideas, we're putting together a DAO reserve wallet. So we're going to be using that to invest in ideas from Sandbox. So come through, post your ideas, and maybe get some funding here. We share a lot of announcements, and just come chat anything that you want to talk about. We're here. We have office hours on Wednesdays and Fridays, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want to hop in, feel free to just hop in here. It's going to be very open. So if you want to read more about Sandbox and what we're doing, I'm going to share this in the description so you can read what is Sandbox, what are we trying to accomplish, what are the links to our GitHub repository, our website, our Twitter, our Discord, what are some resources that we're gathering together right now if you want to read more resources and learn how to code, learn how to put projects out there. If you want to learn about masterclass, jobs, and the fundraising campaign we're building, you can learn about the schematics here. If you want to look at the team and who we are, what we're trying to do, and what our future hiring looks like, check it out here. What our devs are up to, you can see our dev cycles here and what we're working on. In the past, we were working on masterclass, fundraise, unique page for fundraise campaign. So we're going to be adding more tasks here. So keep an eye on that as well. And yeah, so this is the pretty much the gist and everything we're working on. So if you want to look at anything, our GitHub is also open source, so it's public. You can go ahead and read it. You can go ahead and fork it. You can go ahead and do whatever you want. Feel free to have fun with this. So anyway, this is Sandbox. Glad that you got to see this. If you have any questions, make sure you hit them up in the comment section. If you want to learn anything Web3 related, if you want to talk about anything, if you want to build ideas, come to Sandbox. Let's make it happen. Anyway, it was your boy Elijah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.